After Buhari's PA said that Femi Fani-Kayode may not be welcome in APC, see what Femi Fani-Kayode said. The rumor that former Aviation Minister Femi Fani-Kayode is set to join the APC has been filtering around since yesterday. This rumor started after pictures of Femi Fani-Kayode had series of meetings with top APC officials. First, Femi Fani-Kayode received the governor of Kogi State in his Abuja residence. A few hours later, after Fani-Kayode had earlier met with Governor Bello in his Wuse Zone 6 residence in Abuja, the Kogi State governor led him to the APC chairman guest house. The personnel assistant to President Buhari on new media, Bashir Ahmed, said he does not think that Femi Fani-Kayode will be welcome in APC. It may interest you to know that Femi Fani-Kayode left the APC about 6 years ago and has been criticizing Buhari-led government since then. This is one of the reasons Bashir Ahmed said he may not be welcome in APC. I personally don't think that Femi Fani-Kayode insulted or attacked the party. He merely criticized and spoke up when things got wrong. Several hours later, Femi Fani-Kayode has said that it is right for everyone to talk and attempt to join hands across political, religious, and regional lines to save Nigeria. Femi Fani-Kayode says the fact that he is in talks with leaders of other political parties, including the APC, does not mean he will change his stance in opposing evil in government and against terrorism. He wrote this through his Twitter account, and it reads as well. Thank you for listening to this news. Nigerian and there are many rumors. What's the big deal? If Femi Fani-Kayode decides to go back to his former party APC, I don't see anything bad or evil about it. And for you saying that he will not be accepted because he has criticized the party many times, and because President Buhari has also been criticized by Femi Fani-Kayode, so he will not be accepted. Who make up APC? Is it only the President Muhammadu Buhari that make up APC? Buhari is only, for now, the person controlling APC because he is the president of the country. Do you understand? It's not that he is the one in charge of APC. No, he's not. So there is no way he can be able, or we can be able to say that Buhari, Femi Fani-Kayode cannot be accepted. He will be accepted if he desires, if he wishes, if he make up his mind. He will be accepted. Nobody can stop him. Nobody can stop him. So, and for the fact that he received many APC party members in his Abuja residence, still doesn't should not give people that impression that Fani-Kayode is warming up to be part of APC. This is what a lot of persons were thinking when they started seeing Jonathan and Buhari. But in time of Jonathan, they said Jonathan is warming up to go back as a president. So that is why he's clenching to Buhari. People and their many thoughts and belief. That is Nigerian for you. But then I still stand on my statement that there is nothing wrong. He's still a part of it. He's still one of it. So we are bound to swap from one party to another party. Is that not what what is his name, the governor of Edo did, Governor Baseki. He was formerly in APC. He left APC to PDP, from PDP to APC, just like that. The same thing goes to Izeyamo. People goes to where favors them. That is politics for you. Politics is eyeing positions where you believe can favor you. The same President Muhammadu Buhari did the same. The party Buhari is today, is it the party that he used to be? Look at Umahi. Because he's believing that it is possible the APC will zone presidency to the Igbos. So he thought of it and decided to play a fast one by identifying himself with APC should in case the opportunity comes. So now Okorocha saw it as a threat. So now it's now warming up to leave APC to another party. So politics is just like that. That is politics for you. So let us not just put Fani Kayode alone on the line, but rather let's still believe that it is a game of politics. You understand now? It's a game of politics. So nobody should try to make it a specific or specialize it or personalize it. No need of personalizing it. Let's take it to be a general attitude of every politician, defecting from one party to the other based on individual interest and opportunity. You understand? An opportunity. So that is justice. And don't forget that these politicians, they meet themselves on social gatherings. So when you see them in a social gathering, we used to say that they are doing all this because that we say that this person is going close to this person because he wants to be a party member, or because he wants to be accepted into the party. No, not at all. So let's just try to be specific and reasonable. So please, my viewers, deem it free to leave your comments below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.